Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process how to add Verizon Travel Pass using My Verizon app. Okay, so let's discuss through each step. So how to add Verizon Travel Pass using My Verizon app? First of all, you have to open My Verizon app by tapping on the icon, and then access your account by tapping into account tab at the bottom. And after this, authenticate if you need with your password, fingerprint or face ID. And then go to plan, then international, and tap explore all international plan. Okay. Once you tap the all international plan, look for the add new plan and select travel plan. And after selecting the travel plan, enter your destination and choose the departure and return date. Select your mobile number and pick travel. Like you have to do all your details, and then review and confirm the plan. Change to activate travel pass for future needs. Okay, so this is the way you can add the Verizon Travel Pass using My Verizon app. Okay, so this is the 7 step you can use. So thanks guys, have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.